And God just creates everything. He
Yeah.
can create mommy and daddy and Sophie and me and the tree and everything at space.
Wow. What else? Yeah.
And the grass and,
Yes.
and the cows and everything at the whole world. Because God is good. Like me. Because I'm behave at the school. Because God just helped and
Mm.
Noah's Ark sheep.
Wow. What's about Noah's Ark?
I watch it at teacher. Teacher Carla. Teacher Carla is an angry teacher. If classmates are standing, teacher is angry. But I'm behave. Everyone is not only me.
Oh, galing naman. You're a very behaved child. You're a very behaved and obedient student.
I can create everything.
Who's the son of God?
Jesus. No, me. And Jesus. God just created the stones and everything at the whole world. Ever. He can create a Noah ship so we can float at the flood. And God just helped me in everything. And He can help some people.
Are you happy today?
Yeah.
Why are you happy?
Because Papa God is so good and smart. He can make me smart to at the school. So I can study a lot. For 100,000 million. I have a lot of stars. Because I can
How
talk
many
a lot.
stars? How many stars you've got?
100 million.
Really? You're very smart kid.
And Sophie too. You and Daddy. Because you are so good. You can study a lot. But this is his birthday. November.
Your birthday is
November
November?
15.
Ah, very good.
And God is so smart.
Are you happy that we're having a camping?
You should say camping.
Camping?
Camping.
Camping.
Yan.
Yan. Oh, are you happy?
Yeah.
Why?
Because I want Papa. I miss him. And Papa God creates everything at the whole world and he's smart. Everything.
Thank you for watching Dad's TV.